everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you a Gucci unboxing. I always get to film reveals and not unboxings because every time I get them in the mail, I just can't wait and I just open it up. So this time it's going to be a true unboxing. I did already cut off the tape of the box that it came in. This was the first time I had purchased from Tracy. I was a little skeptical to order from them at first, but I did a lot of research and everything turned out fine. I researched the seller that I purchased from as well and looked at their feedback, looked at their sales, and everything was great. So I went ahead and purchased from them. So I'm excited to see it. And it's crazy because I was not looking for this bag. This is an older bag. I was not looking for this bag at all. I was looking for a completely different bag and I ran into this one, and at the price, I was like, okay. I looked at the pictures really closely and it looked too good to be true, but I really hope that that's not the case. Let's go ahead and get started because I am dying to see what it looks like. Okay, so it did come in this box right here. I did already cut open the top of it. It looks just like this. I really hope that it's in a dust bag. I'm kind of bummed to know that it did not come with the box. So I took it out of the box and it just has this stuffing around it. I'm so excited to see it. So it come in a dust bag. Doesn't have anything on it. It's just a dust bag like this. I'm glad it came with one, but it didn't even come with the original dust bag. I don't remember if I even saw it. Wow, it's a lot smaller than I thought. So it comes with these little things. Their card of 100% authenticity. And then let me take a look at it. This is so small. I thought it was a lot bigger, but I got the beautiful Gucci Marmont, and this is in the mini size. I was debating on a mini or a small on getting a Marmont, but I wanted the new canvas one. And whenever I ran into this one, it was such a good price, but it was in the size mini. And I just jumped on it because I was like, I am never gonna find this beautiful color from a year or two ago at this price. So I went ahead and got it. But the mini is literally a mini. It's very, very, very small. So it looks beautiful on camera. It looks a lot more purple. Like if in person, it looks a lot more dull. It looks a lot prettier on camera. Let me take a look at it. So online, on one of the pictures I saw on the hardware, it had like a black spot, and I was like, is that just the picture? Is there just something on it? It looks like a good little chunk was scraped like on the gold hardware. And it's not that big of a deal, but it was marked as excellent condition. And in the pictures, they had it stuffed and everything. I haven't even opened it, and I'm just like, it's very smushed. You know, I know this is a type of leather that is that real like smushy leather, but still like it just, yeah, I feel something inside of it, but let me take a closer look. Okay, so this is why I do not like true unboxings. I'm trying to be excited about the bag, and I'm already finding things that was not listed online and that was not shown in the pictures clearly. Like I would zoom into the pictures and you could not see these flaws that I'm seeing in person. So over here on the edges, there's a lot of like black or dark blue stains, and it's definitely transfer from denim. The corners have it as well. It has a really nice rub right here. Please pay no attention to my nails. It's a long story, but I know you guys are probably like, why did she only paint my nails? So as much as I wanted to love this bag, I totally do not. There is so much wrong with it. It has a lot of denim on like every single edge. The hardware is scratched. I mean, it looked too good to be true, but I didn't really think it was going to be this messed up in person. The actual GGs are great. I don't think there's anything wrong with it, but just even down here, I will get up closer and share it with you. But even like on everything, the back, of course, it isn't too bad. I don't know why it's not, because the front really is. Right here, the edging right here is definitely very, very, very dark. One of the stitches is like starting to come undone up here. The interior has a pin mark that was not mentioned in the listing. So as soon as you open it, it has two like really big scratches right here. I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't. I don't know if it's coming up, but there's one like right here, and then there's another one down here. So you have to look at it right there. You can kind of see it there. So it has that. I mean, I understand that it's a pre-loved bag, but when it's listed as excellent condition, that's whenever it starts to bother me, because if it would have said like used well or anything like that, I would have definitely not got it, because I am too nitpicky. I know I can't be too nitpicky because I am buying pre-loved, but like I said, considering it did say excellent condition, I did not expect to receive it like this. So inside, it came stuffed literally just like this. And this is the interior of it. It does have like a pin mark and some other kind of stain on the bottom. And then in the pocket, it's very dirty. I am so unhappy with this bag. And honestly, even though I did get it for a good price or a better price, I still don't think that it is worth what I paid. So let me get a little closer to show you what I am not. So I got a little closer so I could show you up close what I am looking at. I really hope that you can see it, but even down here, there is a lot of darkness from denim. Right here, you can definitely see that. Over here, just along like all the edges, you can definitely see it. And it is such a cute bag. It's such a bummer that it has so much. Right here on the corner, you can definitely see it. None of this was on the listing. So the back looks pretty good, like towards the middle of it where the heart is, but everything else is just an absolute no for me. See, there's just a ton absolutely everywhere. Let me see if you can see the big chunk that is missing right here. It looks like a black spot. So it's totally rubbed off, and it is just, I am not happy with it. And another thing, I am kind of glad that I got to see the mini size, because I definitely, in the bag that I did want, that I was looking everywhere for, and I accidentally ran into this one and purchased. The one that I want is, I know that I'm gonna want it in the size small and not in the mini, because the mini is very, very, very small. This is totally cute in the mini if you are just going to be using it like casually on the weekends, if you're gonna go shopping. But I wanted to use it like as an everyday bag. I'll be wearing it crossbody, and crossbody, the mini looks absolutely adorable. So if you wear a lot of crossbody, which I do, you definitely, and if you like the size of the mini, you will definitely enjoy the mini. But I can only have one. I don't have it like that. So if I'm only gonna have one, I definitely want the small, and instead of the mini, because I want to be able to use it wisely and be able to wear it on the shoulder if I want to, and then wear it crossbody as well. I did try on the black small Marmont in store in Fashion Square in Phoenix, And I absolutely loved the small, absolutely loved. My mom loves the large. She has a red large one, and that one is way too big for me. But the small is my absolute favorite. So now that I got to actually try on the mini, I am just not happy with the size at all. So now let me show you the interior. It looks just like this. And of course it just has your Gucci made in Italy. It does have like a little pocket. It's like a microfiber suede kind of inside of it. And I don't know if you can see it back there. Right there. There is like a pen mark, or I don't know if it looks like it's something sticky that got stuck on there. And then, you know what? I think I can, yes, I can pull the pocket out so I can just show you the pen mark, because I just take really good care of my bags and I don't like pin marks or anything like that. That is a huge pin mark that was also not listed. It wasn't even photographed in the listing as well, like nothing like that. So just seeing it in person just kind of totally bums me out because I really love this color. Okay, so now I am going to be adding in some mod shots, and for reference, I am 5'6". Okay, so this is what it looks like crossbody. It hits me at a really good spot. I think the mini is perfect for if you are going to be using it a lot crossbody. This is what it looks like on the shoulder. It does look okay, but I really like the way the small fits better and looks better on the shoulder. So like I said, for reference, I am 5'6", and that is what it looks like. And see, with your hand down, that's what it looks like, but I'm not a big fan of it on the shoulder. All right, guys, so as much as I wanted to love this bag so much and keep her, I don't know if I would have felt a different way if it would have been in the excellent condition as stated, but I don't know if I would have kept it just because of the fact that I don't even like the mini size, or I don't know how I would have felt. But I will definitely be returning this. I did check to see if it was even possible to return on there. I guess I should have checked before I made the purchase, but I did not. It does say that I can return it, but I am just going to be able to get store credit. I will not get my money back, which is a bummer, but then it's kind of okay as well because they do have the Gucci Marmont in canvas and black that I do want. So I will just add money and get the one that I actually wanted. And definitely get it in the size small versus the mini. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have this bag and you love it, please let me know if you guys have any of the transfer as bad as this one does. I just absolutely love the Marmont. I love that you can just open it by pushing the bottom and it opens up like this. I just absolutely love it. I love the heart in the back. I love it so much. So I definitely want it in the black because of course that's like my favorite color. I'm always wearing black and gold. So I definitely want it in black, and I really want it in that beautiful canvas color. I will definitely add it up here, add a picture of it up here. All right, you guys, that is all I have for you for today. Please comment down below if you have this bag. I would love to know. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye, guys.